Welcome to our tutorial on how to find members of a Facebook community on your PC. With Facebook's recent updates, the process has become even simpler. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First things first, open up your favorite web browser and head over to facebook.com. Once you're logged in, you'll see the familiar blue layout of your Facebook homepage. Now, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a row of icons. We're interested in the Messenger icon, which looks like a little speech bubble or chat icon. Go ahead and give that a click. When you click on the Messenger icon, a new window will pop up. This is where the magic happens. In this window, you'll see a section labeled Communities. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. You might need to scroll down a bit to find it. Once you've located the Communities section, find the specific community you're interested in. Maybe it's a group for local events, a fan club for your favorite TV show, or a support group for a hobby you're passionate about. Whatever it is, click on its name to enter that community's space. Now that you're in the community, look for the community's name at the top of the page. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Members. This will take you to a page where you can see all the members of that community. And there you have it. You're now looking at a list of all the members in your chosen Facebook community. You can scroll through this list, search for specific members, or even reach out and connect with people who share your interests. Remember, Facebook is all about building connections and fostering communities. Now that you know how to find members in a community, why not take a moment to introduce yourself or engage with others? It's a great way to make new friends and expand your network. Thanks for watching, and happy Facebooking.